Select the Start button to begin.
By the end of this course, you will be able to explain the correct loading procedure to your consumers, describe the cycle settings applicable to different fabric types, explain the temperature settings applicable for different washing requirements. Check out this video on loading the machine. Tell consumers to measure and add the detergent first. It's best to use low sudsing, high efficiency or HE detergent. The consumer should follow the instructions on the detergent package. They should load larger and heavier items first, so they are at the bottom of the tub. It's also important to educate consumers on how to load the laundry items. Tell consumers to load items by the amount of space they take up, and not by their weight. This is because the load size is determined by the bulk of the laundry rather than its weight. Inform consumers that to get the best washing results and avoid out-of-balance conditions, they should mix large and small items in a load. Also, tell them it is important to drop items loosely into the wash tub. For the best cleaning results, the items must move freely through the wash water. Advise consumers to include several smaller items in a load to avoid an out-of-balance condition. Highlight what consumers must avoid when loading the laundry. Do not wash buoyant items or a bulky king-size comforter. Do not pack items in or wrap them around the agitator. Do not overload the machine, as it can cause poor cleaning, excessive wrinkling, and tears. Avoid filling the wash tub to its full capacity when washing very large items. After explaining the laundry loading procedure, the next bit of important information that you need to share with the consumer is about choosing the correct cycle based on the fabric type. Speed Queen offers a variety of washing cycles to provide a perfect wash. The number of options available in a machine depends on the type of model. There are a few cycles available on all machines, and some are specific to the model. Let's look at the top load washer cycles you need to explain to consumers. Click each label for more information. The heavy-duty cycle is available on all top-load washers. This cycle is used for sturdy items, like play or work clothes, heavily soiled jeans, and t-shirts. The wash time for heavily soiled items is longer than other cycles. The normal eco cycle is available on all models. The normal eco cycle is developed to meet the Department of Energy standards for both water consumption and energy usage. It is designed to provide an eco-friendly solution for washing everyday cottons and linens. All top-load washers, when running the normal eco cycle, the amount of hot water added to the wash when hot and warm temperatures are selected is limited, unlike with other cycle selections. The normal eco cycle utilizes a series of spray rinses. Selecting extra rinse gives you the option of an additional full tub rinse. This cycle uses less water and less hot water than other cycles. All top-load washers have perm press and delicate cycles. Perm press is used for permanent press items and synthetics. The final spin is a medium spin speed. TR models utilize a unique wash action to reduce tangling. The delicate option is used when the garment tag instruction says delicate or gentle. The option provides a low-speed final spin. TR models use a higher fill and a unique wash motion to provide a very gentle wash. The bulky sheet cycle is available on TC5 and TR7 washers. It is used when washing bulky items such as sheets, blankets, and comforters. The cycle includes a gentle wash action to thoroughly clean large items. On the TR5 and TR7 washers, the hand wash cycle is used if the garment tag mentions hand wash. The cycle utilizes the lowest spin speed. The cycle includes a higher water level than the delicate cycle with the gentlest wash. The TR7 machine offers special cycles, which are created by laundry experts to wash unique types of clothing. Click each pre-programmed cycle for more information. The Eco Heavy Duty cycle uses a spray rinse to reduce water consumption. It also uses less hot water. It has a longer wash time than the normal Eco cycle. If using fabric softener in this cycle, select the Extra Rinse option. In the Eco Delicate cycle, a spray rinse is used to reduce water consumption. It also uses less hot water. It has a shorter wash time and a gentler wash action than the normal Eco cycle. If using fabric softener in this cycle, select the Extra Rinse option. Waterproof is used to wash items such as raincoats and bed liners. It includes a gentle agitation, very low spin, and lower water levels. For best results, add another item on top of the waterproof items so they get fully submersed in the water. The super soiled cycle is used for very heavily soiled items. It includes a 15-minute soak at the beginning of the cycle, a longer wash time than heavy duty, and an extra rinse. Whites is designed to keep white laundry white. It utilizes a longer wash time. It's used for items such as sheets and towels. Wool is used to wash woolen items. It includes cold water, a 30-minute soak, a very short, gentle agitation, a 1-minute spin, a cold rinse, and an extended spin time. The athletic cycle includes a cold wash and shorter, gentle agitation. Denim is similar to the heavy-duty cycle but offers a cold wash and has a longer spin time than other cycles. Let's wrap up what you've learned about cycle selections. Here's a quick review of information for top-load washer cycles. You have learned about the different cycle options. Now, let's discuss the temperature selection features available on Speed Queen machines to help you educate your consumers. Speed Queen top-load washers offer temperature settings such as hot, warm, cool, and cold. Click each temperature setting to learn about it. Hot water is most effective for cleaning, but it's not recommended for all fabric types. It is recommended that the user reads their clothing labels before choosing the hot water option. Warm water is useful for thoroughly cleaning or rinsing lightly and moderately soiled clothing without damaging, fading, wrinkling, or shrinking fabrics. Use warm water for non-color fast or dark colors, permanent press items, silks, woolens, nylon, and acrylic. Cool water is suitable for permanent press items, silks, woolens, nylon, and acrylics. It reduces fading and shrinking in knits. Cold rinses save money and energy. Cold water is ideal for washing delicate items. Although its cleaning abilities are not as good as hot or warm water, this option is useful for fabrics whose colors bleed easily and for sensitive fabrics. Here is a quick recap of what you have learned in this course. When loading the washer, add soap first. Then add larger and heavier items. Ensure there is a mix of items in a load. Top-load washers have cycle selection options to suit every fabric type. There are settings to wash items with a delicate and/or gentle motion. The normal Eco Wash is an energy and water-efficient option and is used for regular clothes. There are settings applicable for sturdy items. Top-load washers have hot, warm, and cold settings to suit every fabric type.
Welcome to the All About the Sanitizing Dryers course. Now more than ever, sanitization is at the forefront of consumers' minds, and we're proud to say that every Speed Queen pair features a sanitized cycle. Speed Queen's DC5, DR3, DR5, and DR7 dryers lead the industry with superior performance technology. This course will detail the features and benefits of the sanitizing dryers, and why Speed Queen dryers are the choice for consumers. Select the Start button to begin. After this course, you will be able to detail the value propositions of the sanitizing dryers. You will also be able to explain the key features of the sanitizing dryers and list the product improvements made. This course is divided into 3 sections: value propositions, key features, and product improvements. Click the section you would like to learn about. The DR7 is Speed Queen's full-featured sanitizing dryer, offering the best care for the whole family, including furry friends. Speed Queen's best-selling dryer, the DR5, brings advanced features and a sanitizing cycle to handle any fabric type. Our entry-level dryer, the DR3, is simple to operate and features a sanitized cycle. Speed Queen's DC5 is still a classic, but now features a 5-year warranty and a sanitized cycle. Please note that the TC and DC now have new product codes, which tie to the 5-year warranty. For these key features, pay attention to the product codes on the right to see the products with these features. To know more about the key features, click on the specific feature button. Speed Queen dryers feature 4 steam options, depending on the model. This feature injects a fine mist at different points during the cycle depending on the steam feature selected. The DR5 and DR7 feature a steam boost option to reduce wrinkles and maintain fabric softness. The DR5 and DR7 also feature a steam refresh cycle with 2 time options of 20 minutes and 30 minutes. The time is determined by temperature selected by the user. On the DR5, if the fabric selector is set to delicate, perm press, or regular, the cycle is a 30-minute medium heat cycle. If the fabric selector is set to heavy duty, it's a 20-minute high heat cycle. Steam refresh provides an added convenience to consumers, allowing them to refresh hard-to-clean items and steam away wrinkles quickly and easily at home. The DR7 features anti-static to reduce static buildup as an option that can be added to auto cycles. The DR7 has a steam sanitized cycle, combining the power of steam with high heat to sanitize laundry while providing the best fabric care. The DC5, DR3, and DR5 offer peace of mind with a dedicated, independently tested sanitized cycle that kills 99.9% of common household bacteria. This is a high heat cycle, so it's critical for the consumer to follow drying instructions on fabric care labels. According to a recent study, 67% of U.S. households own at least one pet, and 43% of pet owners claim hair removal to be the key factor in determining if a pet item is clean. As pet ownership continues to increase, consumers need laundry solutions that provide the best care for the whole family, including furry friends. Their items deserve the same level of clean, comfort, and freshness as the rest of the family. With Pet Plus, the Speed Queen DR7 is the only dryer to offer specific laundry solutions for pets. Whether it's a quick refresh or fast removal of pet hair from clothes or linens, the DR7's dedicated pet cycles save pet owners time and effort while providing the best care possible for their furry family members' items. Pet Plus features 2 specific cycles geared to help keep pet items hair-free and reduce pests. The pet hair remover cycle is a preset 10-minute cycle. The tumble relaxes fabric and releases hair. Once the hair is released, the commercial-grade blower moves the loose hair to the front and into the lint filter, where it's effectively collected for easy cleanup. No more wiping hair out of the washer. This cycle is meant to be used in two ways, as a pre-wash treatment to remove excess pet hair before items go into the washer, and as a standalone option to reduce hair between washes. The pet items cycle is designed to leverage the power of high heat and steam to handle bulky items. This cycle features a 55-minute time dry with high heat, steam, and anti-static. This cycle is designed to be customizable for a variety of pet items, so the time and temperature can be adjusted and steam can be disabled. Speed Queen has placed a priority on the ultimate fabric care, and that means drying clothes and linens to the optimal dryness level. Overdry protection technology applies our commercial advanced moisture sensing algorithms for exceptional drying accuracy, eliminating overdrying for better care of all fabrics and less wasted utilities. The TR7 now features a 30% larger moisture sensor, enhancing Speed Queen's overdry protection technology by creating more surface space for greater contact points with the load. To further enhance Speed Queen's overdry protection technology offering, these dryers feature commercial adaptive cooldown technology. With this technology, instead of a set amount of time for cooldown, the machine adjusts the cooldown time according to the load type, customizing the cooldown for each load, resulting in faster cycle times. With these improvements, the TR7 complements the TR7 for a true fabric care system. To enhance our best-selling dryer offering, we've extended Speed Queen's overdry protection technology to the TR5.
Welcome to the course on 2020 product changes. Speed Queen is the unmatched and most profitable laundry solution. Speed Queen TR3, TR5, TR7, and front-load washers are leading the industry with superior performance technology. With new graphic overlays and cycle changes, 2020 Speed Queen machines are achieving greater wash quality, stain-fighting power, and consistent performance. In this course, you will learn about the 2020 product changes for Speed Queen TR3, TR5, TR7, and front-load washers. Click Start to begin the course. Before moving forward, let's first discuss the objectives of this course. By the end of this course, you will be able to state the differences and changes in products, describe the product code changes, and explain the key benefits of the product changes. This course is divided into 4 sections: graphic overlay changes, TR cycle changes, front-load washer changes, and product code changes. Let's start with the graphic overlay changes. Let's begin by exploring the graphic overlay changes that have been made to the TR3 and TR5 models. In both the models, the extra rinse option has been moved from a separate selection and now is part of the load size selection. Also, extra rinse can now only be used along with autofill. When you choose the extra rinse option, it will be the same cycle as autofill, just with an extra rinse step. In addition, heavy soil option has been introduced and is positioned where the extra rinse option was before. This option is equivalent to the max soil option available on the TR7 model. This option provides consumers the option of adding additional agitation time to power through tough stains and heavily soiled clothes. Also, changes have been made to the load size selections. The medium option is removed and autofill extra rinse is introduced in its place. Let's now learn about the cycle changes introduced on the TR3, TR5, and TR7 machines. Cycle changes were made to TR models to provide enhanced stain-fighting ability, a consistent wash across all TR models, and improved wash performance as compared to competitor machines. On all TR models, the normal Eco-Warm Max soil cycle has been updated. It is a unique multi-temperature cycle where the machine first fills with cold water and soaks for 8 minutes in cold, then adds hot water to make it a warm cycle, and completes a 12-minute wash. The changes also add an additional 3 minutes of 820 RPM spin, bringing the total cycle time to 70 minutes. On all TR models, the time for heavy-duty cycle has been updated. With the default soil level, the cycle now takes 45 minutes. If the maximum soil level is selected, which is heavy soil on TR3 and TR5 models and max soil on all TR7 models, the total cycle time is 66 minutes. On all other cycles on TR3 and TR5 models, the heavy soil option has increased cycle time and now provides an additional 21 minutes of agitation compared to the cycle's default soil settings, providing better wash performance. For example, on previous models, the heavy-duty cycle with the default settings had a cycle time of 45 minutes. With the 2020 product updates, if the user selects heavy soil, an additional 21 minutes of agitation is added to the cycle compared to the default settings, bringing the cycle time to 66 minutes. On TR7 models, the max soil setting is equivalent to the heavy soil setting on TR3 and TR5 models. The TR7 heavy soil setting has been adjusted slightly to be 11 minutes less than the cycle time of the max soil setting. Also, on the TR7, the spin and rinse and spin cycles default to the max soil option at a speed of 820 RPM. If the user reduces the soil level, the spin speed reduces to 500 RPM. Special cycles on the TR7 have not been changed. On the TR5, the spin cycle now offers a choice of spin speed. The spin cycle defaults to the heavy soil option at a speed of 820 RPM and can be reduced to 500 RPM by turning off the heavy soil option.
The engineers at Alliance Laundry Systems have worked for several years to create the best laundry solution. The washers give the best possible clean, outperforming industry competitors time and time again. The course will teach you the key technologies employed in the TR machines. You will also learn the best practices used to get a quality wash. The course information will help you to better serve consumers. Click Start to begin the course. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain the wash process of TR machines. Explain why the TR machines have a quiet operation. Describe the key cycles of TR machines. Identify the best practices to operate TR machines. Here's a little preview of the kind of consumer queries you may face on the job about different aspects of TR machines. Does it matter whether I add the detergent or the laundry first? Does the machine's wash action cause damage to clothes? Why is the washer so quiet? Is it not washing? Does the machine add enough water to provide a quality clean? How can a washer be energy efficient? Does water quality matter? Are there any washing tips? Would you like to have a go-to guide to help you effectively answer these kinds of questions? Well, the go-to guide is currently in a locked state. To unlock access, you'll need to learn about the topic and answer some questions. Ready to unlock the go-to guide? Let's get started. Click the highlighted item to unlock the information. Teaching consumers about the correct loading procedure ensures that they get the most out of their TR machine. Click the play button to watch the video. Advise consumers to always add the detergent first. Then, advise them to add the laundry items, loading larger and heavier items first, so they are at the bottom of the tub. Also, inform consumers that opening the lid during the cycle will pause the wash cycle. They must press start again to resume the cycle. Time to move to the next question. Click the highlighted item to learn more. TR washers have a unique wash action. Let's take a look. Click the play button to watch the video. The revolutionary approach pushes soap and water through garments, so they get cleaned regardless of where they are in the wash bin. Here's how it works. The basket and the agitator move in sync, causing the water and the garments to move together in the same direction. Then, the basket and the agitator quickly switch directions. This change causes the water in the washer, up to 117 pounds of it, to rush in the opposite direction. The result: the power of the moving water knocks out dirt and stains. In fact, testing proves this new washing technology cleans 5% better, while being almost 20% gentler on garments than our previous models. The revolutionary approach pushes soap and water through garments, so they get cleaned regardless of where they are in the wash bin. Here's how it works. The basket and the agitator move in sync, causing the water and the garments to move together in the same direction. Then, the basket and the agitator quickly switch directions. This change causes the water in the washer, up to 117 pounds of it, to rush in the opposite direction. The result: the power of the moving water knocks out dirt and stains. In fact, testing proves this new washing technology cleans 5% better, while being almost 20% gentler on garments than our previous models. The TR Top Load Washer features an autofill load size selection that must be enabled by the user. The autofill technology ensures that each load has enough water to effectively clean clothes. The machine senses the type of load, fabric and size of the materials, and adjusts the water level accordingly. With this technology, the machine constantly monitors the load, and when the control senses resistance on the motor, it adds more water. So, if the consumer adds more clothes after starting the cycle, the machine will add more water to ensure that there is enough water for an effective wash. It's also important to understand that the machine won't clean clothes with too much water in the tub, as the clothes get suspended in water. For effective cleaning, the clothes should be standing still, and the water is moving. Let's look at some of the TR Top Load Washer's key cycles you need to explain to consumers. These cycles help to save time and energy. Let's check out the cycle's key features. Click each label for more information. The normal eco cycle is available on all TR models. It is developed to meet the Department of Energy standards for both water consumption and energy usage. It's designed to provide an eco-friendly solution for washing everyday cottons and linens. Heating water accounts for the greatest energy expense when washing. To help combat this, with the normal eco cycle, the amount of hot water added to the wash when hot or warm is selected is limited. If the consumer selects hot water, the machine fills with hot water for 5 to 10 seconds. Then the rest of the cycle uses cold. During the rinse, the normal eco cycle utilizes a series of spray rinses. This allows the cycle to use less water than other cycles. Selecting extra rinse gives the consumer the option of an additional full tub rinse. When using the normal eco cycle, if the consumer wants to use fabric softener, it's important that they select extra rinse. Take a note of the different stages of the normal eco cycle. The times listed are approximate default times, and will vary depending on the cycle and options chosen. The extra rinse option must be selected to be included in the cycle. The spin-only cycle is available on the TR5 and TR7. It is used to extract water from wet items. This cycle uses a high-speed spin. Take a note of the different stages of the spin-only cycle. The times listed are approximate default times, and will vary depending on the cycle and options chosen. The extra rinse option must be selected to be included. However, on the TR3, there is no spin cycle. Instead, if you need to skip to the spin step while servicing, press and hold the start button for 15 seconds, and the cycle will jump to the drain and spin step. The TR7 is the only machine with a soak cycle. Use this cycle for heavily soiled items to reduce wash times. All consumers want clean clothes. If a consumer wants to know how to clean heavily soiled clothing, tell them to use the heavy-duty cycle, with extra rinse on, hot or warm water selection, with autofill selected. You can also advise them to pre-treat their clothes before washing. When using fabric softener, advise consumers to dilute it 50/50ths with water before adding. It's important that the consumer's home has high-quality water, not hard water, for best cleaning as it helps to create better suds. If the consumer has a TR7, tell them to use the P4 Super Soiled Cycle for very heavily soiled items. It includes a 15-minute soak at the beginning of the cycle, a longer wash time than heavy duty, and an extra rinse.
Welcome to the course, Front Load Washer and Stacked Washer General Product Training. I'm Carmilla, your virtual coach for this course. Speed Queen prides itself on offering commercial quality front-load washers, which offer long life expectancy and the industry's best warranty on parts and labor. The machines are designed with robust state-of-the-art components. These components provide dynamic balancing, mold resistance, and an even pool of water for superior wash performance. In addition, the machines provide unique control for consumers. This course will help familiarize you with the features of front-load washers in detail. Click Start to begin the course. By the end of this course, you will be able to describe the following about front-load washers: characteristic features, energy usage, control features, benefits of installation, common consumer objections and its resolution. Please note, going forward, when there is a reference of front-load washers, we are discussing both the single front-load washer and the stacked washer and dryer. Let's explore the features of the Speed Queen front-load washer's balancing system. Well, noisy machines are a common problem that many consumers face. Speed Queen front-load washers offer a balance system that provides a quiet wash with reduced vibration. The Speed Queen front-load washer features the highest quality balance system in the industry. The two commercial ball-bearing balance rings, one at the front of the inner tub and the other behind the inner tub, help balance the machine during the spin step. The washer utilizes 4 heavy-duty shock absorbers attached to a full steel base. The shock absorbers have springs on them to absorb force from the spinning tub. As a result, the machine produces less vibration and noise, allowing for quality performance on slightly unleveled surfaces and second-floor installations. Through this balancing system, Speed Queen front-load washers produce rapid, uninterrupted cycle times. Unlike some competitors who only use 3, Speed Queen's 4 shock absorbers provide optimal support on each corner of the steel base, meaning the machine can support larger out-of-balance loads. Also, with the ball-bearing balancing rings, the machine can counteract large out-of-balance loads with less space, allowing for more volume in the tub. The solid steel design and balancing system allows the machine to achieve high spin speeds more quickly, even with large out-of-balance loads, resulting in faster cycle times. The efficient balance system is also the key to Speed Queen's 10,400 cycle design that gives the machine a lifespan of 25 years. Let's now discuss the non-porous, mold, and smell-resistant components of Speed Queen front-load washers. Speed Queen front-load washers house components such as the inner and outer tubs and baffles. These components are far more superior than similar components of competitor machines. Let's discuss each of these components in detail. Select each image of the component to learn about its features. Speed Queen front-load washers have stainless steel inner and outer tubs. The tubs are non-porous and mold and smell resistant. Therefore, the tubs are more durable than the tubs of many of the competitor machines, which are made of plastic or poly material. The best way to prevent mold and other smells is to prevent it from the beginning, which is why Speed Queen uses stainless steel, not just on the inner tub, but also on the outer tub. Like stainless steel, Plastic starts out non-porous, but unlike stainless steel, plastic is easily scratched, gouged, and even broken, creating areas where soap, grime, and eventually mold can collect, creating foul odors. The patented baffles offer a solid one-piece construction, which helps water to cascade throughout the entire load. They are attached to the tub, which leaves no gap for mold or mildew to build up. Some competitor machines have hollow baffles. A hollow baffle can catch debris and create an environment for mold, mildew, or other harmful organisms to grow and can't be easily cleaned. Let's now discuss the spin speed of these machines. Speed Queen front-load washers offer commercial quality spin speed of 1200 RPM or 440 G-force. 1 G is equal to the Earth's gravity. That means Speed Queen front-load washers spin quick enough that articles inside experience forces up to 440 times what they normally would. With these G-forces, the machine extracts moisture from the laundry effectively, creating more efficient and faster dry times. Roller coasters typically generate brief 5 G-forces, and fighter pilots typically experience 8 or 9 G, but the clothes experience 440 G. Most competitor machines give inconsistent wash from the front to the back of the load. Speed Queen front-load washers, on the other hand, provide an even wash because of the tub design. Let's examine the front-load washer tub design more closely. The Speed Queen front-load washer features a 100% horizontal axis washer tub. The horizontal tub creates an even pool of water from the front to the back of the wash tub. Since a front-load washer's action is created from lifting the load and dropping it into the bath of water, it is critical that the whole water pool is consistent from front to back. Many competitors have tilted their drums several degrees, creating an inconsistent wash bath. As a result, clothes in the front of the tub do not receive the same wash results as clothes in the back. Compared to a Speed Queen tub where our washer water level is consistent from front to back, and the wash load is always in contact with water for an even, consistent wash. This results in a better and faster wash, as the entire wash load is being washed and rinsed at the same time. Speed Queen front-load washers use 11.7 gallons of water, adding to their efficiency. The front-load washer offers a user-friendly control on an easily accessible panel. The consumer has complete control over cycles, settings, and soil levels. Additionally, there are some unique sanitizing and allergy-friendly features that kill 99.9% of common household bacteria. Let's now learn more about the front-load washer control. Hover your mouse over each highlighted area in the image to learn more. The Speed Queen front-load washer offers two unique features, the allergy rinse and sanitize with OxyCycle. Let's find out what these features offer. Select each highlighted area in the image to learn more. The Speed Queen front-load washer offers a sanitize cycle option that works in tandem with an oxy additive. The sanitized cycle is programmed to wash clothes with an oxy additive and detergent and removes 99.9% of common household bacteria. The washer hot water supply connection must provide a minimum of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure the cycle is effective. To achieve sanitization, the user must 1. Follow the detergent and the oxy product label instructions. 2. Use the amount suggested for a large, heavily soiled load. Measure carefully. 3. Place the oxy product directly in the bottom of the tub before adding clothes. The Speed Queen front load washer offers the allergy rinse option for a premium rinse. Choosing allergy rinse adds 2 additional full rinse routines to the chosen cycle. Each rinse routine offered is in addition to the 2 rinses already included in the standard wash cycle. The allergy rinse feature offers users washed clothes that are free of soap and chemical residue. This feature is especially helpful for users who have sensitive skin or are allergic to detergent, fabric softener, or bleach. By selecting the allergy rinse and extra rinse options, the user gets 3 extra rinses. Speed Queen front-load washers and stack washer dryers need a maximum of 31-inch depth for installation, so they can fit in small spaces where the only other option is compact laundry. Let's now review some of the premium aesthetic qualities of Speed Queen machines. Select each quality to learn more. The white front-load washer pair offers ergonomic features that include right and left-hand door hinges. The left-hand hinge is a standard offering. The right-hand hinge can be special ordered. Speed Queen also offers a stainless steel option in the single front-load washer only, with a complete stainless steel body. The entire cabinet and panels are made of high-quality 304 grade stainless steel. Both front-load and stack washer dryers offer a central control that the consumer can operate at a hand's height. The controls can also be locked to prevent any unwanted access. The single front-load washer is ADA compliant when the leveling legs are fully extended. Meet Samantha. She has almost made up her mind to buy a Speed Queen machine. However, she has some questions. Samantha wants to know why Speed Queen machines are not sold in big box stores where other popular brands are sold. Samantha also wants to know why Speed Queen machines are more expensive than competitor machines, even though the Speed Queen's capacity is less than her current machine. Let's find the answers to Samantha's questions. Let's address Samantha's concerns one by one. To begin, let's discuss Speed Queen's brand presence, reach, years of experience, and exclusive availability in the market. Alliance Laundry Systems, Speed Queen's parent company, is the largest commercial laundry manufacturer in the world. Alliance is the market share leader in commercial laundry applications, including hospitals, hotels, laundromats, military bases, and apartment complexes. Alliance has been operating in Ripon, Wisconsin for over 110 years, where all consumer laundry manufacturing is still done today. Speed Queen Consumer Laundry is one of the fastest-growing laundry brands, operating through independent retail channels in North America. Now that you know the brand value of Speed Queen, you may go ahead and answer the consumer's question. Well done! Let's now find out why Speed Queen machines are more expensive than other competitor machines. Speed Queen equipment is designed to last over 10,400 cycles in a commercial environment. On average, consumers wash 8 loads of laundry per week in a standard home. Considering 10,400 cycles at 8 loads per week, with 52 weeks in a year, Speed Queen machines are built to last 25 years in an average home, which is well above a standard competitor machine with a lifespan of 5 to 7 years. With Speed Queen machines, consumers pay a little more in the beginning, but save significantly in the long run. Additionally, Speed Queen provides the industry's best parts and labor warranty in a residential setting. Speed Queen's warranty lasts as long as the lifespan of some competitor machines. Speed Queen machines are in some cases going to be about 30% more than competitor machines. However, you now know that consumers get more for what they pay for. You may go ahead and address the consumer's question. Well done. Let's now review the capacity of Speed Queen front-load washers. The commercial quality components can handle large wash loads. The washer can handle 21.5 pounds of laundry per cycle, which is significantly higher than most competitor machines with larger interior volumes, creating more usable capacity. The average wash cycle of a Speed Queen front-load washer is just 45 minutes, meaning the consumer can wash more laundry in less time. The competitor machine cycles can last over 2 hours. Here's a video that shows how a Speed Queen front load can wash a king-size comforter. Speed Queen is an iconic American brand. The front-load washers are designed for 25 years of life in the home, provide a larger usable capacity, and an industry's best warranty. With Speed Queen machines, the consumer has complete control of their laundry. They can choose cycles, temperatures, soil levels, and spin speeds. Speed Queen front-load washers provide enhanced stain-fighting ability and better wash performance than competitor machines. Speed Queen has several benefits over its competitors. Components such as the motor, drive system, suspension, drain pump, and tubs are far more superior than the components of any competitor machines. This course helps you compare the Speed Queen TR7 with the Maytag MVWP 575 and identify the components of the Speed Queen TR7 that makes it more durable and truly commercial than the Maytag model. Click the Start button to begin. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain the differences between the components of the Speed Queen and Maytag machines, and describe the benefits of Speed Queen components over Maytag components. Let's learn how Speed Queen and Maytag stack up. A component-to-component comparison between the Speed Queen and Maytag products is essential to bring out the facts. A high-performance motor, a rugged, yet simple-designed drive system, a stainless steel wash tub, and a porcelain-coated metal outer tub are some of the unique offerings from Speed Queen. In addition to this, Speed Queen offers a superior suspension and a high-power drain pump. Click each label to learn how Speed Queen and Maytag compare. The Speed Queen TR7 has a 1-horsepower variable speed motor, whereas the Maytag has a half-horsepower 4-speed motor. Also note that the Maytag motor has a cooling fan. Now let's see which machine has a better motor. Speed Queen's high-performance motor is designed in such a way that it doesn't require a cooling fan and delivers twice the power as Maytag's motor. The Speed Queen TR7 motor's variable speed design is more flexible, offering a range of custom wash cycles versus Maytag's 4-speed design. Speed Queen's high-performance motor is superior compared to Maytag. Speed Queen's drive system is far simpler and more robust than Maytag's. Maytag's drive system has over 21 parts, many of them are plastic, and is enclosed in a metal case, requiring the replacement of the full drive assembly versus just one part. However, the Speed Queen TR7 drive system has a rugged yet simple design. The design offers two pieces that allows the drive system to deliver years of solid performance. The system can be easily serviced if repair is necessary. Speed Queen is the clear winner when it comes to the simple design of the drive system. Let's now compare the wash tubs. The Speed Queen TR7 wash tub is made of premium stainless steel with a lifetime warranty, whereas Maytag's tub is made of both stainless steel and plastic and has a 5-year warranty. Maytag's wash tub is constructed with a combination of 400 series stainless steel and plastic. 400 series stainless steel is susceptible to rust, and plastic can get pitted and sharp over time and damage clothes. However, Speed Queen's wash tub is made of high-quality 200 series stainless steel, which is not rust, is gentler on clothes, and gets smoother over time. Speed Queen's stainless steel tub is the best in the market. Now let's compare the outer tubs. The Speed Queen TR7 has a porcelain-coated metal tub, whereas Maytag has a plastic tub. Maytag's plastic tub is susceptible to odors or mildew. The inserted molded bearing requires that the tub and bearing be replaced together. Speed Queen's porcelain-coated metal tub is non-porous and mildew and odor resistant. The tub also has a superior out-of-balance performance, making Speed Queen's outer tub more durable than Maytag. Speed Queen's outer tub is more durable than Maytag's plastic tub. Let's now compare the suspension systems. Speed Queen uses a full steel solid base suspension system. The Speed Queen tubs directly connect to the base of the machine. The Speed Queen TR7 suspension is mounted on a solid full steel base with 6 heavy-duty springs. Maytag's tub is hung from the top of the cabinet and doesn't have a base. Maytag's suspension system has a less durable design. The suspension system cannot handle out-of-balance loads well and is susceptible to excessive vibration and noise. Speed Queen's suspension system provides superior out-of-balance spin performance and water extraction. Because of the heavier, robust suspension system and larger motor, the Speed Queen TR7 achieves 820 RPM extraction speed, resulting in faster dry times. With superior out-of-balance spin performance, better water extraction, better water spin, and faster dry times, the Speed Queen TR7 suspension system outperforms Maytag. Let's now discuss the drain pump. With a 1.4 amp electric pump, the Speed Queen TR7 is more powerful than Maytag, which has a 0.95 amp electric pump. Speed Queen's increased power brings commercial quality to the consumer market. Here is a quick recap of what you have learned in the course. You saw that the Speed Queen TR7 is more durable than the Maytag model. Speed Queen has a 1-horsepower variable speed motor. The machine has a rugged yet simple 2-piece drive system design. The inner tub is made of premium stainless steel with a lifetime warranty. The outer tub is porcelain-coated metal, which is non-porous and mildew and odor resistant. The suspension has superior out-of-balance spin performance and better water extraction. The 1.4 amp electric drain pump brings increased commercial-grade power.